Welcome to Learn TV. I bet you didn't know how easy it is to share Robux with your friends. Let's dive in. It's super easy and fun. Follow along with me. First, log in to your Roblox account and type "Please donate" in the search bar. Click play to jump into the game. Ready? Let's go. Once you're in, find an unclaimed stand and press the button to claim it. Easy peasy. Follow the instructions to set up your donation options. Almost there. You might need to create a game pass or a cool clothing item that others can buy to donate Robux to you. How awesome is that? Next, head back to the Roblox main page and click on Create at the top. We're almost done. Select passes from the sidebar, choose a game you've created, upload an image, and add a name and description for your game pass. Looking good. Click Preview and verify upload to create it. Almost there. Now set a price for your game pass by clicking the gear icon next to it and selecting Configure. Just a few more steps. Go to the Sales section, toggle Item for Sale to On, set the price, and click Save. You're doing great! Finally, return to the Please Donate game and make sure your booth displays the game pass with the set price. Almost there. Now your friends can purchase your game pass to donate Robux to you. How cool is that? Happy donating, and see you on Roblox! Keep having fun!